Viewers, welcome to the channel. Today you are going to learn how to use Alaska Airlines companion fare. So let's get started. First, check if you are eligible or not. Make sure you have a valid Alaska Airlines companion fare voucher. It is usually provided with Alaska Airlines Visa Signature card. Then log into your mileage plan account and look under discount and companion fare code section on your profile to find your voucher. Once found, then check expiration. Each voucher is valid for a specific time period, so check the expiration date before booking your flight. Then go to the Alaska Airlines website and sign in with your credentials. Enter your destination, travel dates, and flight preferences. Then apply the companion fare. When selecting flights, look for the option to add companion. Enter your companion fare code when prompted. Then complete the purchase by reviewing your booking details and proceed to payment. Once you pay for the first ticket, the companion ticket will be automatically added at a discount rate. And that's all. That's how you will be able to do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.